Hi guys,
It's Janet
and Judy, and for this episode,
we are going green, and that means a green screen for something new and fun.
After all, it's almost Easter, and everywhere you look, things are starting to turn green.
And in a few days, it's going to be St. Patrick's Day. Top of the morning to you, VirtuKidz. So on with the show.
Hey, where's our cameraman, Logan?
Oh, I forgot to tell you.
What?
He got a new job.
Did?
Yeah, it pays.
Where?
At the DIY store in Tahunga. He sells paint.
Oh, good for him.
Hi, VirtuKidz.
Hi, Logan.
Need some paint?
Yeah.
Well, I'm really gonna miss Logan as our cameraman.
Yeah.
He was great when he showed up.
Well, you never know. He might just pop in every now and then.
Well, we'll keep our eyes open for him.
In the meantime, we have our trusty selfie stick.
A green screen is used for special effects, so we can change our background to anything we want.
Really? Cool.
For instance, if we wanted to, we could go to Ireland for St. Paddy's Day.
Oh, this is so cool.
Uh-oh, we're not wearing green.
Let's get out of here before we get pinched. This is the life.
I wish I had my beach bag and my sunglasses.
I know, I don't have any sunscreen on.
Did I just see Logan?
I don't think so. He's at work.
We could even go to Disneyland.
Oh, it's open. No masks. It's a little bit crowded for my taste.
Let's go somewhere else.
Somewhere more tame.
Wow, it's so quiet.
Beautiful animals.
Amazing.
It is so peaceful.
Watch out!
Whoa, think so.
Look out!
Guess where I am? I'm on a spaceship to Mars.
Awesome!
Wait, did I just see Logan?
I don't think so. He's at work.
Well, do you think they're going to get all these plants to grow on Mars?
Doesn't look very promising.
So the possibilities with green screen are limitless.
Wait, is that Logan?
Well, to tell you the truth, we won't be going to Ireland in our next video.
Or Hawaii.
Or Mars. But using the green screen, we can put some really pretty backgrounds behind you. Backgrounds like this. There's one rule that applies when taping in front of a green screen.
What is it?
You cannot wear green.
Give us a minute and we'll show you why. Well, here we are in our green.
But watch what happens. Well, before we go any further, we want to introduce our new VirtuKidz choir member, Daniel Kresmer. Many of you will know Daniel because he was in our choir last year.
And he's 9 years old and he's in 3rd grade at Palmcrest.
And it looks like he might be good at world geography.
Oh, well.
So welcome back, Daniel. It's simple. You're going to come to the choir room where we'll have the green screen set up, and you'll have a recording session with Janet and me.
Okay.
We'll be wearing masks
Good.
and social distancing.
All right.
But if we had our way, we'd be giving each one of you a big, huge hug.
We've missed you so much, and it's been almost a year.
Can't wait to see you again in person.
Are you looking forward to Easter?
Yeah!
It's so much fun. You get to color eggs,
Yippee!
and then you get to hunt for them. And the candy, it's like Halloween in April. You get to wear new spring clothes.
Awesome!
Yeah.
And then there's the Easter basket full of goodies. And it's all thanks to the Easter Bunny.
Thank you. These are really great
fun traditions. But those of us who are Christian know that Easter is about something that happened almost 2,000 years ago when God's son Jesus hung on a cross and he died and he was buried in a tomb, and 3 days later he rose and came back to life. And we learn that because he hung on that cross, he had forgiven us of all our sin, all the bad things we've done in our entire life. He's forgiven us, and he's offered us to come live with him forever in a great place called heaven.
Hallelujah, Jesus is alive. Hallelujah, Jesus is alive. Hallelujah, Jesus is alive. Hallelujah, Jesus is alive.
All right, will you sing it with us this time?
Okay.
And there's one little singing tip for you. When you sing the word alive, make sure you put the V on it, like this.
Hallelujah, Jesus is alive. Hallelujah, Jesus is alive. Hallelujah, Jesus is alive. Hallelujah, Jesus is alive.
All right, let's sing this chorus together. Don't forget to smile.
And don't forget the V.
Sing with joy.
Because if you believe Jesus died on the cross for you, then someday you are going to heaven.
Wow.
Yay!
Hallelujah, Jesus is alive. Hallelujah, Jesus is alive. Hallelujah, Jesus is alive. Hallelujah, Jesus is alive.
Okay, you're probably wondering about the solos. Well, for this song, we've decided to assign them. So all you have to learn is the chorus and the ending. So now we're going to watch the rehearsal video, and it's just Janet and me, but we're just filling in for you, the VirtuKidz. So here it is, our song for Easter. Hallelujah, Jesus is alive.
The women came with spices early on that day. When they reached the tomb, they saw the stone was rolled away. They were greeted by two angels, too dazzling to describe, who told them something wonderful. They said, Jesus is alive. Hallelujah, Jesus is alive. Hallelujah, Jesus is alive. Hallelujah, Jesus is alive. Hallelujah, Jesus is alive. Peter and the others saw the empty tomb. Later they'd see Jesus
The recording sessions are going to be fun. And your mom gets a break from videotaping. She can sit in the back or go out and grab a coffee or run an errand. And don't wear green. Unless it's St. Patty's Day.